Hello, Mac here, and for this vlog, I'm gonna be unwrapping some Chibi figures from My Hero Academia. So, My Hero Academia is one of my favorite anime. Let's unwrap this Chibi figures. By the way, this is a bootleg figures, and I think this one is unique because this comes from the ending song of My Hero Academia. I'm not really sure if it's season 2 or 1. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna make a research on it and I will put the information of that ending along with the pictures. And also I will put the video link of that ending on the description box below. And without further ado, let's start the unwrapping of this My Hero Academia Chibi figures. First, of course, is my favorite, the main character, Deku. Bakugo. Next is this dragon. I'm not really sure, so let me know in the comments on what is this dragon about. Next is Ochako Uraraka. Is Shoto Todoroki. And lastly is Tenya Ida. that's it for this unwrapping of My Hero Academia Chibi figures medieval edition. And I think this is a great bootleg version of this Chibi figures. As you can see, it has nice details all around for a cheap price. So I think this ranges for about 400 to 500 pesos. So I will put the link like I said. And I think it's worth the money since it has 6 pieces of toys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for everyday toys content. And please like my Facebook page. It will be posted on the description box below for you to be updated to my latest vlogs. And hit that notification bell for you to be updated. Collect toys and good memories. Thank you.